I have placed an order on the all-new 2020 Toyota Supra. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian back with another video. Finally, Toyota has debuted the all-new 2020 Toyota Supra, and I am super excited to see it and to talk about it. About the specs, so the powertrain, the car is going to come standard with a 3-liter inline-6 BMW motor, which is producing 335 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. So really excited. Those numbers seem pretty decent, at least right out of the factory for the car that's in this class. And that's going to be matted to an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. The car is going to come in 3 trims right out of the box: 3.0, then the 3.0 Premium, and then the 3.0 Launch Edition. A few key differences between each one of the trims. Generally, as far as the performance figures go, all 3 of the trims are identical as far as I know. Now, the one that I'm really excited for is the Launch Edition. So this is going to be limited to 1,500 units. And essentially, the differentiating factor is you're going to get a choice of 3 colors. You'll have white, black, and a red color. On top of that, you're essentially going to get red mirror caps. You'll have these special black alloy wheels that are forged that'll be coming on the vehicle. They're 19-inch as well. You'll have small carbon fiber bits and pieces on the interior of the car as well. Now, there are only 2 options that you can tick off currently for the release models. You can either get a navigation and sound system package. The Premium and the Launch Edition already come standard with the navigation and the sound system upgrade. The only option that is not included that you will have to tick off is basically a driver assistance package that comes with speed sensing, blind spot monitoring, rear backup sensors, and things like that. Finally, and lastly, what I do want to talk about is I have placed an order on the all-new 2020 Toyota Supra. Summer of 2019 is the expected release date and when they will arrive here in the States. So I am excited. I am getting the all-new 2020 Supra for the channel that will be added to the garage. So stay tuned, stick around. As I find out more information from the dealers, from Toyota, you know, whatever I can get, I will relay that information over to all you on this channel. But I am excited. Yes, I'm getting a Toyota Supra. I'm really excited. As always, thank you all for watching. Stick around for more updates. Stay tuned, and until next video, peace.
Whatever you do